Hey guys, welcome on again my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will review on Hi-Fi Man TWS 6600 true wireless headphones. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. At 12,999 rupees, this pair of true wireless headphones is meant to appeal to audiophiles. Chinese headphone and audio equipment manufacturer Hi-Fi Man is best known for its audiophile headphones, including the flagship Shangri-La, which retails for a whopping 36 lakh. This brand has come a long way in its relatively short time in the market and is considered a leading manufacturer of electronic and planar magnetic headphones. Fortunately for buyers with smaller budgets, Hi-Fi Man does offer more affordable options as well. One of these is the company first true wireless headset, the Hi-Fi Man TWS 600, priced at 12,999 rupees. This is not what we'd typically expect from this brand, which has thus far stuck to wired audiophile headphones and earphones. The earphones feature the company proprietary topology, diaphragm drivers, and promise a great sound with the convenience of true wireless connectivity. Hi-Fi Man TWS 600 design and specification. There is There is no duplicate way to put this. The Hi-Fi Man TWS 600 looks a bit strange. The all plastic earpieces are grey in control color and are the shape of kidney beans. The outer parts of the earpieces have transparent patterns that allow lights to shine through. With the physical buttons at the center of each one, there is a pattern on each one button with which oddly resembles the contingent of South America and small Hi-Fi Man logos just to the sides of them. The buttons control playback, call handling, volume, and voice assistant through a series of routines. These are fairly easy to remember. For the most part, we only had a bit of trouble with the long press routines, since pressing for too long would power off the headset. The LED on the earphones are largely decorative, but they do indicate when the earphones are on or charging. There is a microphone on each earpiece found near the bottom. Hilariously, a card in the sales package of the Hi-Fi Man TWS 600 recommends removing one earpiece and holding it near your mouth when taking voice calls, suggesting that the microphones are not very good. We'll tested this of course, and you can read about it below. The charging case of the Hi-Fi Man TWS 600 is a bit longer than what we are used to seeing in the true wireless segment, but it looks good and is well built. There is a set of four lights on the inside to indicate the charge level of the case itself, and they illuminate when the earpiece are placed in it or when the case is opened. The USB Type-C port to charge the case is at the back and a useful rubber grip at the bottom helps keep it secure when placed on any surface.